Hey there, folks! Welcome to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the digital age. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency that's been making waves across the globe. It's a digital currency, dreamed up back in 2008 by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. This enigmatic creator published a white paper that laid the foundation for what we now know as Bitcoin. Nobody knows who Satoshi Nakamoto really is, but their creation has truly shaken things up in the financial world and beyond. Bitcoin lets you buy stuff online without needing a bank or credit card. Imagine purchasing your favorite gadgets or even a cup of coffee with just a few taps on your smartphone. It's like digital cash, but cooler and more secure. You hold the power in your hands, quite literally. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This is made possible through blockchain technology, which ensures transparency and security. Not governments, not banks, not even my landlord, who I'm pretty sure is a Bond villain, have control over it. This independence is what makes Bitcoin so revolutionary. And guess what? Bitcoin has exploded in popularity. From tech enthusiasts to major investors, everyone is jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon. It's making headlines, sparking debates, and everyone's talking about it. Whether it's the latest price surge or regulatory news, Bitcoin is always in the spotlight. It's kind of a big deal, people. The excitement around Bitcoin is palpable, and it's only growing stronger. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to take a wild ride through the world of Bitcoin, exploring its origins, its significance, and how you can get a piece of the action. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the mechanics of Bitcoin, its impact on the global economy, and what the future holds for this digital revolution. Now, you might be wondering, where do these Bitcoins come from? How do they come into existence in the first place? Do they magically appear out of thin air? Or is there some kind of secret factory churning them out? Well, not exactly. They're created through a fascinating and complex process known as mining. Think of it like this. Imagine a giant global Sudoku puzzle that never ends. Bitcoin miners use incredibly powerful computers to solve these intricate mathematical problems. When they solve one, they add a new block to the Bitcoin blockchain, a public ledger that records all transactions ever made. It's a bit like a digital gold rush, where everyone is racing to find the next nugget of digital gold. Miners from all over the world compete to solve these problems, and the first one to crack the code gets rewarded with freshly minted Bitcoins. It's a high-stakes game of skill and speed. It's like striking digital gold. Imagine the excitement of being the first to solve a puzzle and getting a reward for it. But hold your horses. It's not as easy as it sounds. The puzzles are incredibly complex and require a lot of computational power. Bitcoin mining requires specialized hardware, technical know-how, and a whole lot of electricity. These machines are not your average home computers. They are highly specialized and consume a significant amount of energy. But don't worry, we'll get to that later. There's a lot more to understand about how this entire process works. For now, just remember, Bitcoin mining is how new Bitcoins are born. It's a complex but fascinating process that underpins the entire Bitcoin network. So, why should you care about Bitcoin? What makes it so significant in our modern financial landscape? Why is it more than just some geek's plaything? Why has it captured the attention of investors, technologists, and even governments around the world? Well, my friend, Bitcoin is important for a few key reasons. Let's dive into why this digital currency is making waves and why you should be paying attention. First off, it's a hedge against inflation. In a world where the value of traditional currencies can erode over time, Bitcoin stands out. Traditional currencies like the US dollar can lose value over time thanks to, well, governments printing more money like it's going out of style. This leads to inflation, where your hard-earned money buys less and less. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a limited supply. This is a crucial feature that sets it apart from fiat currencies. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This cap on supply ensures that Bitcoin remains scarce, and scarcity often drives value. That scarcity makes it valuable. As demand for Bitcoin increases, its limited supply can lead to significant price appreciation over time. Second, Bitcoin transactions are fast and cheap, especially when you're sending money internationally. This is a game changer in the world of finance. Forget those pesky bank fees and waiting days for transfers to go through. Traditional banking systems can be slow and expensive, but Bitcoin offers a more efficient alternative. Bitcoin is like sending a text message with money attached. It's that simple and quick, making it ideal for global transactions. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, Bitcoin gives you control over your own money. In a world where financial institutions hold significant power, this is revolutionary. No more banks freezing your accounts or governments manipulating currencies. It's financial freedom, baby. With Bitcoin, you are your own bank, and that level of autonomy is unprecedented.